Here we have the GE Profile top load washer. As you can see, it goes into a little bit more of an electronic control panel, but you still have the knob option as well. One of the things I really like about this is you do still have quite a few cycles to pick from, but you also have that smarter wash technology with power clean, gentle care, and an auto. Then when you move to the right side, you do still have that deep fill option that is on their traditional top loads, kind of with the knob controls as well as an auto soak. And just keep in mind, anytime you select that normal, you do have the opportunity to reselect any of these to kind of make it the perfect cycle for you, as well as whereas like bulky and even delicates, you'll only have a little bit of alterating that you can do through these different cycles. Going into the capacity, you have a large unit at about 4.9 cubic feet. As you can see, it does have an agitator, but this little blue ring that you see right here, it is protected with microban. Moving into the dispense, you do have that flex dispense where you can add your softener, your Tide Pods, or your traditional detergent, instead of just adding it to the bottom of the unit. And as always, stop by one of our locations to take a look at this in person for yourself and see if it's the right washer for you.